Hey everybody, Courtney Smith here with our Wall Street winners for October 25th. Let's dive right in here. And you can see that the S&P made new all-time highs. That's pretty incredible, but we still have a mixed bag here. Dow, new all-time highs. You can see the little green line showing that a lot more buying pressure is coming in the market and selling pressure is declining. I'll tell you why in just a few minutes. NASDAQ lagging. Purple Predictor actually slightly bearish, and we did not make new highs. So the economically sensitive sector of the market is leading. That's kind of value instead of growth. Not 100% accurate, but gives you an idea. Seasonality. I drew this red line here. We got to the red line, did not break it, so we're still kind of neutrally here. But the reality is it's going to break through this week. So next week we should be on a seasonal buy signal. Now what that means is that I put on 50 to 100% larger positions. So if you would normally put on 100 shares of stocks, you'd put on 150 or 200. We're about to go into a period of making massive money. We've been treading water, making a little bit of money, but from April until really September, we didn't make any money. Now we're starting to make money, and it's about to accelerate significantly. Utilities, neutral. I don't really care about them anymore. That's it. Bye-bye. See you later. You can see here maybe a couple of more days of downward price action, and then look at what happens. We just go straight up. Even the red line, couple of days of bad action, then straight up. So we're now entering into, from now until Thanksgiving, one of the most bullish periods of the year, then goes sideways, and then the last couple of weeks in December are also very, very bullish. So look for strong price action and asset allocation. This is where the strong price action is coming. People are bailing out of bonds, bailing into stocks, and the market wants more risk. They don't want bonds. They don't want utilities. They don't want consumer staples. Let's get us some of that risky stock action, and that's bullish for the stock market. Global shares trying to play catch up to the U.S. Yield curve continues to move in a bullish direction, getting more and more positive all the time. And that's good for the stock market. That's good for the stock market. All right, so that's good. Bonds didn't make a new low here. Now, I'm short bonds right now. So it looks like a little bit of a reverse head and shoulders here. So that looks like we might be putting in a low in bonds, but when we look at our key indicators, they say we should see bonds continue under pressure. So the fundamentals are telling us bearish. The technicals are saying bullish. Over the long run, fundamentals win. Over the short run, technicals win. So we'll have to see how the fight goes through. Dollar is slowly losing some gain here, all right? So the dollar going up is generally bullish for the stock market. There's hardly anything bearish for the stock market. This is a mild bear move. Everything else is just turning bullish, bullish, bullish. And even a little bullish for gold. But there's so much resistance above the market that this is not a good place to put our money yet. It's going to be, but not yet. Inflation is going to power gold much higher, but we're not there yet. So now we've got two indicators bullish. We still have one that's kind of bearish, but even the last few days, it started to move up. So like I say, we're getting close to wanting to be long gold. We need to see the price action do a little bit better, and then we can start to get long some gold or gold stocks or whatever. Crude oil continues to drive higher, $84 a barrel. So many people in the industry are calling for $100 oil. They think it's going all the way to 100. I don't know if I'm quite that bullish, but that's a strong bull market, so you have to be on the long side, okay? And Bitcoin, you got to be on the long side there. Got a short dip, doesn't really mean anything. The bull case still remains, But notice how the purple predictor right here has started to go sideways. It's not really confirming the bull market anymore. It's kind of confirming maybe that we go into a consolidation zone here. So we got to watch that carefully. But the point is, you should be long. I don't know if you need to be strong, but you need to be long. All right, freebies, love having you here. You know that. But of course, go to WSW 2021 and sign up and get with the cool kids. But more importantly than the cool kids, really, who cares about the cool kids? But what you do need to worry about is you want to get the actual recommendations and all the extra analysis that I put into the fully paid up version, but mainly the real trades that I'm doing in my own account. And man, we're making good money.